So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name is Crypto Lord, and I'm here to introduce you to a new way to make money with crypto arbitrage. So before I will start today's episode, there are some things that I have to clear before we will continue. So doing the arbitrage, we have two folds of doing arbitrage, or two ways of doing arbitrage. First of all, is by using the regulated platforms. By using regulated platform, that's legally regulated. Legally. And the second one is by using black market. Yeah. So if you know all these things, doing the arbitrage will be easy for you. So today we'll be using the legal regulated platforms to do our arbitrage today. But first of all, let me go deep into these things first. You see, in my mentorship, the course I gave you is basically based on regulated platforms, and I give the black market as bonus. The reason why I give the black market as bonus is that the black market is a black market and it's not regulated legally. So there are lots of rules governing these things that you have to read their rules and regulation before starting the black market business. And you can't do enough trade like you using regulated legally platform to do the trade. And black market platform, if you're not wise enough, you will pop up with some clone platforms, you see. And the black market platform can also make you more money than the regulated platforms, because this one, their rates are always high. That is why we call it black market platform. And if arbitrage is easy and everyone is making money out of it, it's not easy. So you have to know that the task ahead of you is not easy. The reason why I'm saying that is that some of my students are very serious and some of them too are not serious, because after giving them all the course and everything, they want you to hold their hands to everywhere. No, I'm your mentor, so I'm here to guide you. So when you're doing something, then you tell me that, okay bro, this is what I'm doing. Then I'll say, okay, no, don't do that, do this brother. You see, you have to prove to me that you understand everything. And people think arbitrage is easy. If it's easy, everyone would have doing it. Everyone would have been doing these things. It's not easy. The reason why it's not easy is that, let's take the regulated platform as an example. Doing arbitrage on this platform, first of all, you need calculation. Your calculation has to work. So calculator, sorry, like my marker is not, I don't know. I say maybe so you need calculator. The reason why I'm saying that you need calculator is that, you see, before you embark on any trade, first of all, you have to calculate your profits first. So some people will be that, oh bro, after doing the arbitrage, I had only $1 as profit. Listen, so doing arbitrage using, let's say, SRP, comparing the rate of both sides. After that, you will deduct the address fee, the address that you will use it to transfer the coin from one platform to another platform. You have to deduct that fee also from the profit and see the profit that you are making. Don't just say that, oh okay, this one's higher than this, so I have to buy this and go and sell it over here. No, maybe that particular coin, his address fees are huge, and it will draw into your profits for you to make no profits, and you'll be like, oh nah, I didn't make any profit because you didn't do the calculation well. That's why I always say that before you embark on any trading, you have to calculate your profit and loss, your P&L. You have to calculate it very well. You see, so me using this regulated platform to do it, first of all, I have more than 6 regulated platforms that are on Apple Store and Play Store, and some of you over here all have those platforms as well. So before you do it, first of all, open all those apps. And this one trick that I'm telling you for free: don't focus on the hot coins, on the hot HOT. If you know the hot coins, the coins that people are buying and selling, don't focus on that one. First of all, focus on the losers coins, the coins that are losing. So if you go to Binance, Bybit, you see because of the loser coins. So that coins, compare it on all the platforms. Compare it one after the other. You see, compare it one after the other. You compare this coin on all the platform that you have. This is all the sales broker that you have. Compare each and every coin. You see, so when you say, okay, this coin is higher, this coin is low over here, then after that you go to the address of that platform. Some of the platforms use BEP20, some of them also use their own address. So then you check their fee. After that, divide or deduct that one from your profit or your capital, the money that you want to invest in it. Let's say $100. So first of all, you deduct the fee from the $100. You see that thing, deduct it from it, and after that, you will know that, okay, if I'm doing this thing and I even deduct this thing from it, this is the profit amount I'm making before you will start trading. So doing arbitrage don't necessarily mean that you have to be on the black market. No, the platform that you have is also having opportunities, just that you don't know how to find the opportunity. You see that thing? Yeah. And these things is very difficult. Easier, and everyone is doing it. It's not easy. Don't underrate that. How we are doing it, we are making it easy. Yeah, it's easy, but it comes with risk, it comes with calculation and everything. Yeah, that's what we call arbitrage. But using the regulated platform to do it, that one you can do as many trades as you want. You see, but one difficult thing about this one is that you have to find the opportunities. The black market platform, when you open it, you see the opportunity, and the opportunity also see you. But they have some rules and regulations, terms and risk management and everything. Yeah. But on this Binance, Bybit and everything, you can do more trade as much as you want. Yeah. So first of all, I've already told that you have to calculate everything, and after that, do comparison of the coins. Charlie, it's not easy. Like, I see some people were saying that, oh bro, the way they were seeing the arbitrage, they think it was easy. It's not easy. You have to compare the coins and see that, okay, this and that are good. You see that this coin to this coin, I will make profits, calculate it, this and that. You don't just have to open it and call your mentor, oh bro, I've opened it though, so what should I do next? What's the essence of you reading the course or you watching the course? You have to make some things work, and your mentor will be there to guide you. Some people want you to hold their hands, like take them through River Niger. Like, no, that's not how we learn. That's not how you learn. You have to practice well, do it, and your mentor will be there to guide you. Yeah. So because of the market situation right now, doing arbitrage in the black market is become some way now, but using the regulated platform to do it is the key right now. This one is the key right now. So right now we have a lot of legally regulated platforms that you can use to make money. All you have to do is what? Compare the coins. Compare the coins. And when you join my mentorship and everything, I show you everything. The apps and everything. One thing about arbitrage is what? It's all about the apps and how you can do it. It's the apps and how you can do it. That's arbitrage. If you know the apps that we use it for it, and you know how you embark on the arbitrage, and when to sell and when not to sell, and where to send the coin to, and when and where to certain. If you know all these things, that's how arbitrage works. You see, yeah, that's how arbitrage works. And if you're on the black market too, like we tell you how many times to trade, when not to trade, and stuff. We tell you all these things. Me, I don't hide do some stuff from my students. I tell you that this time around, trade on this platform. This time around, don't trade on this platform. I make it clear to you. So if you're obedient students, you make money. If you say, okay, that's not I've seen opportunity, so I want to try. If you try, that's the whole thing. You said that. That's why I always say that you need mentor to guide you through these things. Yeah. So if you want to make money right now using arbitrage, I would advise you to use the legal regulated platform right now, because right now the market is facing red zone. It keeps on coming down. Yeah, and this black market platform too are using some ways towards also make money. So I'm not advising you to use the black market right now. Use the regulated platform right now, and they are all the same. Despite the black market will make you like to help you make more money, but this regulated platform takes time for you to make money. It takes more trade for you to make money. You see that thing, and that's how you are working, bro. You have to work. You have to work hard to make money. It's not always you have to eat from the good place. You have to work hard to make that money, bro. Yeah. So right now, I'm making money, and I'm making it through the regulated platforms, and that's what I've been telling some of my students, that right now use the regulated platform. Don't use the black markets right now because of the red zone right now, and we know the reason why we are telling you that there. So if you have the knowledge, you can use the regulated platform, compare the points of the losers, and you are good to go. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and thank you for always be there for me. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.